Wordly wise. Monsters of the deep. The Pacific Ocean is huge. We see its surface. Underneath, half a mile down, is another world. It is dark. It is home to giant squid. These unusual creatures live here. Let us explore the Pacific Ocean. We will go near the coast of New Zealand. We will learn about these strange animals. Scientists come here. It is a good spot to find giant squid. There are also sperm whales. Sperm whales eat squid. Scientists on their vessels see whales coming up to breathe. They are huge marine creatures. They are 80 feet long. They weigh up to 60 tons. Sperm whales can go without breathing for 1 hour. This lets them dive deep underwater. They hunt for giant squid. Giant squid are enormous creatures. Few have been seen alive. Scientists examine dead squid that wash up on shore. The adult giant squid may be 60 feet long. Its body is shaped like a cylinder. It has 2 fins at the tail end. It uses them for swimming. The squid can put on an extra burst of speed. First, it swallows water. Then it shoots the water out through an opening in its tail. A jet of water rushes out. This pushes the squid forward. The squid has 2 long tentacles on its head. Each has rows of hooks that dig in deep. The squid uses them to grab food. It catches fish, crabs, and turtles. It also grabs smaller squid. It can capture anything. The squid has 8 arms. These stuff food into its mouth. Then its powerful jaws work. The jaws are shaped like a parrot's beak. Anything a giant squid grasps won't get away. An unusual feature of a squid is its eyes. They are the size of dinner plates. The squid lives far down in the ocean. There is very little light. The squid's large eyes help it see in the darkness. It might see a sperm whale before the whale can attack. The squid can escape. Scientists have looked at scars on sperm whales. They believe the beaks of giant squid cause them. So, a sperm whale's attack may not always be fatal for the giant squid. A small submarine looks for squid. It is called a deep rover. This boat dives to 3,000 feet. It has powerful lights and cameras. Scientists on a deep rover took the first pictures of a living giant squid. Scientists want to film a fight between a whale and a giant squid. This is not very likely, but we may see the first close look at a giant squid. Its huge eyes will be staring at us out of the darkness.